Hi everyone, this is Manish from IndusHindi.com, and today we are going to talk about present habitual tense. It is also called habitual aspects, sometimes present imperfective tense. So let's begin. Habitual aspects or imperfective expresses general habit or action in the present. It is like English present simple, like I play, you play, he, she plays, etc. The formation of this tense is habitual participle plus to be verb hona in present. Habitual participle is formed by adding suffix ta to the root of the verb. It changes according to number and gender, like ta for masculine singular, te for masculine plural, and ti for feminine singular and plural. We are taking three main verbs or infinitive as examples, like ana to come, jana to go, and khelna to play. So here ana is to come and root is a. If add suffix ta, it becomes ata for masculine singular, and ate for masculine plural, and ati for feminine singular and plural. And the second example is jana. The root is ja. Jata is masculine singular. Jate is masculine plural, and jati for feminine singular and plural. And the third one is khelna, to play. Khel is a root. Khelta is masculine singular. Khelte for masculine plural, and khelti for feminine singular and plural. Here are some examples with different forms of subject. मैं खाता हूं, subject is a masculine singular, that's why खाता हूं. मैं खाती हूं, subject is a feminine singular, that's why खाती हूं. हम खाते हैं, we eat, subject is a first person plural, that's why खाते हैं, and it is also used for mixed gender. हम खाती हैं, फर्स्ट पर्सन प्लूरल फेमिनिन, दैट्स व्हाई खाती हैं. हिंदी हैज टू सेकंड पर्सन प्लूरल, तुम एंड आप. फॉर मैस्कुलिन नाउन तुम खाते हो, फॉर फेमिनिन तुम खाती हो. अनदर सेकंड पर्सन प्लूरल इज आप खाते हैं, यू ईट फॉर मैस्कुलिन, एंड आप खाती हैं, यू ईट फॉर फेमिनिन प्लूरल. फॉर दे, वे खाते हैं, दे ईट. Here are some example sentences. मैं इंडिया में रहता हूं, I live in India. Here is मैं is a first person singular masculine, that's why रहता हूं. मैं इंडिया में रहता हूं, I live in India. अनीता वॉलीबॉल खेलती है, अनीता plays volleyball. Here अनीता is a feminine and singular, that's why खेलती है. वह कॉलेज जाती है, सी गोज टू द कॉलेज. हियर वह इज ए फेमिनिन, दैट्स व्हाई जाती है. हम रोज तैरते हैं, वी स्विम एवरी डे. हियर हम इज ए मैस्कुलिन प्लूरल, दैट्स व्हाई तैरते हैं. वे 8 बजे सोते हैं, दे स्लीप एट 8 o'clock. हियर वे इज ए मैस्कुलिन प्लूरल, दैट्स व्हाई सोते हैं. योशिका और प्रतीक एक दूसरे से प्यार करते हैं. हियर योशिका एंड प्रतीक आर प्लूरल, एंड देयर इज अ मिक्स जेंडर, दैट्स व्हाई इट विल गो विद मैस्कुलिन प्लूरल फॉर्म, करते हैं. लौरा एंड माया एक दूसरे से प्यार करती हैं. हियर लौरा एंड माया बोथ आर फीमेल, दैट्स व्हाई द वर्ब विल बी फेमिनिन प्लूरल, लाइक प्यार करती हैं. There is an unique feature in Hindi for the verb of movement such as आना to come, जाना to go, and पहुंचना to arrive. In this case, the post position is usually dropped. For example, वह घर जाता है, he goes to the home. Here post position में is dropped. And the second example is मैं 11 बजे स्कूल पहुंचता हूं, I arrive to the school at 11 o'clock. Here school में the post position में is dropped. The third example is वे अस्पताल जाते हैं, they go to the hospital. Here post position में is dropped. This is not incorrect to say वे अस्पताल में जाते हैं, but there is a huge tendency of dropping it. And the next thing is, in present habitual tense, the subject is also very often dropped. The context usually defines the subject. For example, सुबह पार्क में घूमता हूं. Here, घूमता हूं, the participle ta is expressing, ta is defining that the subject is first person and singular, which is मैं. And the next thing is, to express very immediate action, we use present habitual tense. For example, मैं आता हूं, I'll come. चलिए फिल्म देखते हैं, let's go and watch a movie. And the next thing is the negation of present habitual aspects. We use nahi just before the verb to express negation. When it appears in form of negative, generally the verb to be is dropped. For example, we say मेरी बहन दिल्ली में रहती है. It's a positive sentence and the negative would be मेरी बहन दिल्ली में नहीं रहती. You see here the present to be verb होना है is dropped. And the second example is मैं हॉकी खेलता हूं. It's a positive affirmative sentence and the negative sentence would be मैं हॉकी नहीं खेलता. Here to be verb who is also dropped. The third example is वे गोवा में रहते हैं. It's a simple positive sentence and the negative would be वे गोवा में नहीं रहते. Here हैं is dropped. हम स्कूल जाते हैं. We go to the school. The negative would be हम स्कूल नहीं जाते. We don't go to the school. And the last thing we have to remember is that about present habitual tense, in feminine plural sentences, the nationalization is moved to the participle. For example, लड़कियां फुटबॉल खेलती हैं. Girls play football. Here the negative sentence would be लड़कियां फुटबॉल नहीं खेलती. Here you see the nationalization of to be verbs is moved to the participle. मेरी बहनें यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ती हैं and the negative would be मेरी बहनें यूनिवर्सिटी में नहीं पढ़ती. Here see पढ़ती हैं, the nationalization of to be verbs is moved to the participle. I hope this thing is clear. If you have any confusion, any question or suggestion, you can write us down. Goodbye.